break, Luke. Pressure, pressure.
Yeah.
Very good, very good. Marcelo, great ball. Marcelo.
Logan, why are we sitting on the line?
That's the ball. Hey, hey, let's crunch it up now. Stay tight.
3-2 for the white.
Get up there, Lucas, get up there. Lucas, make the run.
On the line, right away. Play right now.
Lucas, go. Lucas, stay up, Lucas. Hey, hey, hey. Stay back. Come on, Marcelo. Fuerte, fuerte. That's your.
Stand on, Isaac. Stand on.
There you go. Pressure him. Pressure him. One time, Anthony. Go, Amir. Get up there, Lucas. Keep going. Send it. Seba, cover his back.
Take him.
Okay. Control it. Go. Get up there, Ed. Get up there. Yes. Don't lose it. Good, Marcelo. Anthony, don't hold back. Stay up there.
Bro. Come on. Marcelo, there you go. Play. Don't get him back. Vamos, Lucas. Ahora. Now, Anthony. Take him in. Shoot it. Finish. Get up. Shoot it. Push up. Marcelo, come on. Pick it up. Take it out, Seba. Take it out. Drop back, let's go, drop back. Hey, you got one behind you. Pay attention. Send it. Go, Lucas. Touch. Hit it. Okay. Pressure him. Settle.
My
Come
God.
on, Michael, move, son. Come on, Lucas, fight. Go. Lucas! Marcelo, we gotta move. It's a tournament. You're supposed to be able to sub in and out anytime. Anthony! Hey, somebody's got to stay back. Like that. Come here. Duro! Logan, why are we not in goal? Marcelo.
Ball, it's on time. Get the ball.
Get the ball.
Get the ball.
Get that.
Dog over there.
Go, Bias.
Que tiriça, hein? Que preguiça, hein? Ixi, Maria.
Controla. Go. Finish. Get in. Go now. Win it. Nice.
Where's the rest of us?
Come on, get to it. Good, yeah, good.
Go, Marcelo.
Llévatelo, llévatelo.
Come on, Bill, go.
Hasta adentro, hasta adentro.
Pass it. Good, go. Finish.
Oh,
Come here.
South side. Up. Hey, Bob, drop.
Daniel.
What do you got to do?
Daniel.
Hey, Ted. Play. Hey, Bob, what's behind you? Finish.
100%, man. 100%. Don't be lazy. Be awake 100% of the time.
What is that?
Wraps up.
It's the sub.
Marcelo, come, buddy.
Goes out.
Bien. En el medio con Amir. Más
Great job,
adelante.
Marcelo. Great job. Well done.
Good job. Catch your hand. Good job. That's the way to play. That's
Pressure, pressure, pressure.
Victor, Victor.
Get to it. Matthew, stay up. Up, up. That's yours. Come on, Biel.
Fuerte.
Send it up. Send it up. Stay up, Matthew. Stay up.
Play through, Casey. Play through.
Just play him. Vamos bien.
Corner.
Good, Victor. Hey, Matt, get the ball.
Corner, let's go. Quick play.
We're gonna go. Blue. Come on, guys.
Hey, mark up. Everybody should have a minute. Ready, Victor? Clear it. Clear.
Good job, Seba. That's the way.
Still in.
It's still in.
Play it.
Come on, Casey.
Clear.
Tócala.
Hey.
Good stuff, guys.
Cógete tu tiempo.
Was on his left.
Cógete tu tiempo.
Let's go, Victor. Big kick.
Get there.
Go.
Win it, Bryce.
Put it in. Finish.
Drop it.
Come on, Matthew.
Come on, Casey. Go through it. Come, Michael.
Hold it, Seba. Hold,
Casey, push
Seba.
up.
Hold.
Play him. Play him.
Push it, Seba. Hit the ball, Casey.
Good. Get up. Go ahead, go. Cross it. Cross it.
For you. Quickly.
Sub.
Now go back
Anthony,
up.
drop. Anthony, drop.
Drop quickly.
Casey, be ready.
Mike, you can't take it.
All through.
Really?
Marcelo.
Owen, wide. If he did it wrong, it's...
Get in.
Marcelo.
Hey, make sure you got a mark.
What's up?
Get some energy. Running. Good.
Ready, Casey.
Casey, don't go point down.
The ball always.
In the ball, Matthew. Send it up.
Casey, slide over. Help.
Stay there, Matthew.
Pressure up. Pressure up.
Handball.
Hey!
Sub. Run. Run.
Matthew,
Run.
Foul. It's not a call. You're gonna
Anthony, short. Corta, corta, corta. Seba, corta. Juégale corto.
43 is playing hard many times, so 43. He's made 5-6 hard falls already.
Hit it!
Yes, Mikey.
Hey, pressure as soon as they kick. Matthew, run to the yellow shoes.
Pressure, go! I called it, Matthew. Go, Amir.
He's so fast.
Start ball.
That's the
Go
problem.
kick, guys. Get the
Get
ball.
the ball!
Drives everybody.
Go kick, go kick.
Anthony, watch wide. That's it, cheat.
Right there.
Sammy, ayúdalo a Sebastián atrás tuyo. There you go.
You ready, Lewis? You ready, Lewis?
Simple, Samuel, simple.
Use your body. Shoot the ball. How about some pushing, Ruff?
Play him through, Mike, Casey.
Play him now. Sammy.
Play through, Casey. Be ready, Casey. Have a shot. Man on.
Go, Amir. Dribble. Go, Sammy. Now.
There you go.
Finish.
Get the ball, Logan.
Lewis. Wide, Lewis.
Ô, mano, eu tô todo dia online, tô aqui, velho. É que hoje eu tô no torneio aqui com o
Hey, good throw. Let's
Mas
go.
estamos aí, mano. Como é que você tá? Tudo belezinha? O que tá fazendo no feriadão? Tá calor, botar uma picanha na brasa, tá tomando uma gelada?
Anthony, look at him here.
In the box, Matthew, in the box. Keep going. Go.
Great ball.
Finish. Use Matthew.
Matthew, hand him up.
Come on, Matthew, get to it.
Get to it, foul.
Stay with it.
Fuerte.
Go.
Foul.
Poor
Ball,
man.
save up. Save up.
Get the wall. Get the wall.
Get in the box.
Get in the box.
Get in there, Matthew. Get in there.
Isaac,
Stay there. Stay there.
Ready?
Get the ball.
Just put in the goal.
That's a shot to the goal.
All right, get in there and mark up. Let's go.
Urgency.
Got too fast, kid. That kid's fast
Want the ball or not?
Yeah, 12 is really fast, yeah.
Control. You want the ball or not?
Yeah, even I believe that the coach is putting him to play defense because of the speed.
Victor. Victor. Go play quickly. Today.
Corner.
Vic. He's by himself. You gotta talk to him to drop it.
Flag.
All right, corner kick. Mark up.
There.
Sammy, mark him, Sammy.
Get the ball.
Hey, sir. How you doing?
He's good, Lewis.
Get it out.
You ready, Casey? Oh, okay. Corner, get the ball. Bring the ball, Casey. Get the ball. Back over there quickly. Come on, buddy.
Sammy, hey, Matthew, ciérrate al medio. Miro, let's go. Get him out, now.
Clear it out.
Victor, cógete tu tiempo. Sammy, let's control the middle. Let's go. Control the middle.
Não precisa ter medo de se machucar. Vai pra cima do jogo. Corre. Não precisa.
Eu fiz assim, eu
Não,
tentei.
corre. É preguiçoso. Você tá preguiçoso. Eu tô cansado.
Come on, buddy.
Don't be lazy.
Hey, Lucas,
Matt,
medio con
Louis,
Sammy, en el medio.
Matt, Louis. They just sub.
Play feet. He's got to be consistent, man. That's it.
They said we can sub.
Return it.
Ai.
Go today.
Get back.
Go.
Play him, play him.
Go, Victor. Victor. Nice, Sammy!
Very good. Beautiful.
Get the ball.
There you go!
Matthew,
Get the ball!
Good job, ref.
Lewis, get over. Lewis, go right to the near post. Stand right there. Lewis, stand on the near post.
Oh my God.
Second one, Isaac.
Lewis. Matt. Come on, run off.
Call him out. Sub. Call him out.
Okay, now they can sub. They can do it
You
now.
go this way.
Matthew.
Matthew, venga, papi.
Lucas, up top.
Good job, good job.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. There you go, right there.
Okay. Come on, Rev.
Go, Casey, go to the ball.
Rob! Use your
Play
draw!
Mason. Push up, be ready, Casey.
Victor!
Wide to Drew.
The wrong turn being right.
Marcelo, kick off.
What is that? How many more minutes? 2 more minutes? 8 more minutes. Ah,
Pressure.
that's what's wrong.
Get open!
Come and check in, Sammy.
Stay here.
I think this is almost balanced for tournament.
Hey, come on here.
One time now. This tournament, one time.
Get to it, get to it!
Straight up, Isaac. Straight up right now.
That would be crazy.
Onyx, why are we walking?
Go, throw it in, let's go! And drop back! Come to the middle though, come to the middle! Come to the middle and drop! And to the middle and drop! There you go.
Casey, no, start.
Back to him.
Quickly! Get out of there, Drew.
Hey, drop, stay ball, drop!
Save it, Casey. Save it.
You're fired! Watch it, drop back in a little bit. Quickly, drop back in. Drew, help out there. Casey, get out of there. Okay,
Go, Lucas, go!
Look at Drew.
Scared of it!
quickly.
Stay ball, drop!
Come on, Rev, play
That's a
hit.
card!
Hold the time, please, ref.
What?
Who you want taking the kick?
How is that?
Marcelo, get up there. Marcelo, get up there.
Sammy,
Get in the box.
in the box, Sammy, in the box. In the box.
Sammy in the box.
To your right.
Hey, espérate.
Isaac, to your right.
Put it in the net.
Get away from him.
Watch his shot.
Logan, get him away from you.
Go.
Marcelo.
Stay.
Kayla, juega con Marcelo. Keep going, Logan. Keep letting him go. Today.
Go.
Onyx.
Shoot him, Marcelo.
That's it. Let's go. Get on him.
Sit, Casey.
Good, Case.
Stay with him.
Turn.
Pass it down the line.
Hey, separate.
Lucas.
Come and check in. Lucas, check in.
Go all the way.
The ball, somebody. Come on, Drew. Come on, Casey. Push it out.
Other side.
Go, Casey.
Stay there, Case.
Seba, wide, ball line.
there.
Go.
Ball line.
Come on.
Quickly. Victor, come on.
It's ours. You ready, Casey?
Get in the goal.
Score.
Alright. Get up.
Quickly. Come on, Logan.
Hey, let's go. Let's go.
Casey, you're ready. Casey, you're ready.
Send it. Hey.
How many times
Was nothing. This was nothing.
Send it quick.
Every time you fall on him, you fall down. Kidding me. I can't believe you actually teach that crap.
All the way. Look at Marcelo.
Well done, Isaac.
Well.
Seba, sale más, sale.
Gotta go there.
Come on, Lucas.
Go.
La caja, bicho.
Oh my God.
You ready, Casey? Go on, go to goal side. Yes, Casey. Good ball, guys. Get the ball.
5-4.
Reps up.
Amir! Go to the middle!
Here, go to the middle. Go.
Sammy.
Go.
Come on, Sammy.
Right back. Make sure you stay back. Hey, we need another goal.
Press the ball.
Let's go, quick.
Go on, quickly go, Casey. Casey, get back, please.
Go, Bill.
This is close, man.
Hey, mark now. Good. Get there.
Hold on. Take time.
Talk to each other.
Yeah, Casey, through. Make it through.
Don't let him turn, Anthony.
Help him out.
Help him out.
White ball.
White ball.
Keep it here. Let's go. Keep it here.
I keep telling.
Keep it here.
Go, clear it out. Let's go, clear it out.
Forward.
On it, Case.
Clear it.
Corner, quickly.
Hey,
Come on, Drew.
let's go.
Casey. Put
Look
it in.
behind you, Seba! Behind you!
Go.
Grab the ball, let's go!
Come out for that. Go all the way. All the way. Help him. Finish.
My God.